I'd been working around the yard and around the house and stuff, and I just didn't have any energy, and I was feeling really tired and just couldn't do what I used to do. Of course, I'm not 30 years old again. So I called my doctor in Walport, at the clinic in Walport, and she said, well, I think we better get you connected with a cardiologist in Corvallis. I went to the hospital in Corvallis and met with Dr. Warner, the cardiologist. Well, at first they told me that it was congestive heart failure, and I had no idea what that was. And so they explained to me, that it's just basically that the heart doesn't pump blood to all the organs of your body, and that's the problem. And my fractional output, which is a measure of how much your heart pumps out, was down to somewhere around 10%. Normal is around 55 to 65. And I really didn't understand the impact, and I didn't understand how sick I really was. Well, after I got out of the hospital in Corvallis, I got started with the cardiopulmonary exercise program here in Newport. And since then, with diet, exercise, great support, I'm somewhere up around now between 40 and 45%. The cardiac pulmonary therapist here in Newport, when you start an exercise program, they design a program specifically for your needs. And the people that are there all have different specific requirements because of different situations. And so it's worked out very well, and I really appreciate their knowledge and their support for the program. I just feel very comfortable being able to come here and use their facility. There's a few other people that come at the same time I do. We all have our individualized programs, but we've sort of bonded together, and we are good to encourage each other. And that's, I think, a good support. I think they would feel the same way. No, I can't do a lot of the things I used to like to do. I used to love to walk on the beach, but I've got at least one bad knee and another one that isn't so good, so I can't do that. But, we have a wonderful home, and I'm very happy to be there, very happy again to be able to use the facility here in Newport.